Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdul Karim, and today we'll be talking about praying as a family. You know, if you pray as a family, it's so good because it amplifies itself. You know, I have this personal belief that prayer is like sound. You know, if you get two speakers, just two individual speakers having a sound, putting them near each other, you get the sound of two speakers. But put them side by side, the waves pick up on each other and amplify each other. If they're saying the same, playing the same sound at the same time, those waves amplify each other. It is itself squared. So you're squaring it, which is a mathematical term. Let's just say, for those of you who don't get mathematics, squaring something is good. It is really good. And so I have this belief that if you pray together, because when you pray you're going to make a sound, and that sound amplifies, and plus it's the goodness. Salah is a goodness. It is a gift from you. You know, it is a gift that you're giving. You know, it is goodness that you're doing. It is a good action, it is good heart, and this is good mentality. You know, all three parts of your being are combining into goodness. And you know what? If you pray as a family unit, it amplifies itself. The more people pray together, the more it amplifies itself. So you know what? I urge each and every one of you, not just during Ramadan, but in life, to make Salah together as a family. Now I know on Friday prayers it's customary for men to go off to the masjid, but even then, you see the power of the masjid. We all pray together, and that's why it's so powerful. But at home, on the regular prayer, on the regular daily Salah, I recommend, if you're able to, or the whole family should make Salah together, because it's so important, it's so invaluable, and you know what? It is great. And I'm starting to ramble. My name's S.A.W. Karim. This is Called to Goodness. Feel free to hit subscribe or give us a comment or a like in the comment section below. You know, share this video, because I highly recommend that, because it shares the goodness. Now I'm asking each and every one of you, make Salah together. Remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and come to goodness.
Allahu Akbar, Allah.